So this is my go-to bag. It's my Telfar bag. It's my newest Telfar bag. And I love it because it is green, which is also my favorite color. And it's a Black-owned brand, which we also love to support.
Hi, I'm Maddie. I am the Senior Manager of Shoppers Social, and this is my work bag. It is All Saints. I love this bag because it is structured and the leather is made really well, so it holds up. I can put my laptop in it. I can find my keys easily in it. It's big, but not too big. And it has one little pocket in there where I can keep my smaller things.
Okay, I'm Audrey. I'm a content marketer here at LTK in like the creator focused social. My bag is the Lululemon LTK collab that we got last, I don't even know, I think we got it like in March or something. I would not normally bring a backpack to the office, but I actually travel here, like I'm from New York, so and we're in Dallas.